Hello there.
Hello. Hi.
Have you ever handled a college event before? No?
Nope.
Yes? If you have, me too. I had my first one 6 years ago, in fact, back in school. I was a prefect back then. A young, naïve, inexperienced 13-year-old boy asked to manage a weekly morning assembly on late notice. Teacher in charge called it sick. I had no one to turn to for help. Panic, scrambled to find an MC to lead the prayer and handle all the technical stuff which I know absolutely nothing about. Long story short, everyone's Monday morning was ruined. But I'm sure we've all been there. I lost the confidence. I lost faith in myself. Looking back, things seemed dark and gloomy, but that is until I found a light, glowing, at the end of the dark tunnel. Today, I want to offer you the same light. Now, as your average everyday college student, I have been sitting among the crowd for hours on end as well. Over the years, little by little, I have built up quite a fair share of backstage participation. I have experienced a number of events with in-depth exposure to both the front of the house and back. I still have a lot to learn in the future, but for now, I believe I'm qualified enough to help you in what I know. On that note, I would love to introduce to you my event management service, the STEM team, which stands for the Skillful and Teachable Event Management Team. Quite self-explanatory really. Through this service, I wish to share my past experiences in this field of activity and why I believe you should jump in along with my team and I. Also, how exactly you can partake in an event with our guidance and help, and to allow yourself to enjoy the end of a successful event. So, should we get started now? First off, why should you join? It is an interesting question for starters. Truth be told, event management is at its core challenging and fun. You get a personalized experience of how an event unfolds from its very conception up until the very end. The STEM team promotes fun over challenge, easing the burden, allowing you more space to enjoy the good times while on duty backstage. So, how exactly can you take part? Should you apply somewhere? Ask somebody? It's easy. Just approach the STEM team. We are available anytime you want, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, according to the event duration, team members' availability, and other factors. Hit us up to any of our social media platforms, preferably WhatsApp, or just go ahead and call the number provided if deemed urgent. We do not take last-minute calls, as there needs to be at the very least a week's gap beforehand to work out the terms and conditions. If there's found to be any conflicting decisions between the interested client's part and ours in the early phase of the event, then we would advise not to proceed. This is to ensure we can provide the best of the best quality assistance and guidance to guarantee your event a success. Moving on, you can also choose where to take part in event management. For front of the house or FOH, we have MC, hosting unit, prayer citation, gifting ceremony or souvenir bureau, and ushering VIP personnel. For back of the house or BOH, we have the technical team or PA system, text suite preparation, ward arrangement, protocol, and place setting. Fortunately, the STEM team has it all covered for you. We are well prepared and flexible. For example, the quartermaster unit or the QM unit for short are the strong men of the group, tasked to set up furniture like tables and chairs for the events. The seasoned MCs are from the college's orator club and have experience in both competitive debate and public speaking, making them perfect to host any event as needed. PA system, the cream of the crop, the best among the rest. Sound system of any scale is their expertise, so do not sweat it. Best believe the STEM members are good at what they do. Now, envision yourself working on an event alongside all of us. Would that be fun? To reap what you sow at the end of a successful event. To not lament in the failures or mistakes that happened in the past, but to celebrate the completion of a combination of efforts. I don't know about you, but I'll be the happiest man alive in that moment. the sheer satisfaction after spending long hours in the day and sleepless nights curating an event. Just imagine the smiles in everyone's faces. Just imagine the smile on your face. I can guarantee you we will not disappoint if given the trust. Have faith in us, the STEM team, as we have in all of you. So with that, I believe we're closing in on the end of this speech. To end where we started. Have you ever handled a college event before? If you have, then give yourself a pat in the back for having the courage to. If you haven't, there's no better time than now. Any scale, anywhere, anytime. Planning a small-scale birthday party for one of your best friends this month. Hit us up and we'll pull through for you. Thinking of organizing a large-scale gala night dinner for all of your batchmates? Look no further, the STEM team is here to help. Just give us a chance. That's all I have now. Let's work and have fun. Thank you.